Okay, we're gonna make another animation by using shape tween method. Shape twins will move your symbol from one thing to another. Okay, you should notice that I have created several number of layers and placed all the part of characters there, and then also I created another character which is just smaller than the first one, and then I placed it in a layer here, and then go to insert. I choose create shape tween for both layers. Okay, now I'm gonna add the keyframes first, and then grab that guy and move inside of this frame. We can preview by dragging that in playhead left and right, and then I'm gonna modify the outline of this character a little bit, so you should see some animation. Okay, keep modifying his eyes. And compared to frame by frame animation, I did create them many in a keyframe, as you can see in our timeline. And then I'm going to create another layers, and then create his irises. Okay, new keyframe. Alright, you should see those two irises moving up when the playhead reaches at the to the keyframes. Then more keyframes. Now keep modifying this character. Okay, let's watch both characters. Okay, I also want you to notice that when you use the frame by frame method for animating your character, you should see only light gray bar in your timeline. But when you use a shape tween method instead of a frame by frame, you should see kind of a little darker orange colors in your timeline. So basically, we use the frame by frame for the larger character, and they use the shape tween method for the smaller character. Okay, I'm gonna drag that guy a little up so that he looks like jumping a little bit. Yeah, what I'm doing is I'm adding additional points, anchor points, so that I can create his legs. You can add more anchor point by using that pen tool, and then modify that form with the selection tool or direct selection tool.